It may get bigger, it may get a little bigger, it may not get bigger at all. We'll see what happens. But regardless of what happens, we're totally prepared.
What's up, buddy?
Agora temos de esperar que ele volte a sair. Não, eu enfio lá o braço que agarro. Acho que aprendi uma coisa.
Quase. Quase.
Hudson! No! Hudson!
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Cuter than cute little puppies. Cute little puppies. Cute little puppies. Everybody loves these cute little puppies.
Labrador Frenchies.
Who's that? Murphy, who's that? Look. Who is that? Who's that? Who's that? Look. Murphy, who's that?
What the fuck?
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Hey, are you guys dogs? Yeah.
We're totally dogs!
Yeah, both of us.
One, two. Down your tippy toes.
So Bernard wants to be let out of his playpen. Are we seeing the problem? Bernard.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in...
That's so cute! He is crying. She's crying. Yeah. Oh, I thought you were kidding! What's up?
So our dog broke her little friend out from the neighbor's house. And now my husband doesn't know how to get her back.
Sweetheart, your friends are in quarantine. You'll see them later. It's okay.
What the fuck's this? It's a dog Bordeaux. What? I got you a dog Bordeaux. I did.
You did not.
I did.
Where? In leash.
When?
Today.
Oh, man. You okay?
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Dashi. Dashi. Come on. Dashi. Dashi. Let's go for a walk. Come on, let's go.
Dashi, you haven't peed in like 12 hours or more.
Come on. Come on. Dashi. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Dashi.
You have to go for a walk.
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way.
Yes. And then can I have a puppuccino? Thank you. Hi. Hello.
Just the cutest thing in the world. I'm Persephone.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Thank you.